Okay, and hey there guys, welcome to another time sharing video. And in this video we're going to be making a ping pong game in 8 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to set our time to 8 minutes, and as you can see I made this time we're going to do. So when I hit start we're gonna, well, I already hit. So first thing we're gonna start is by making the game scene. We're gonna save that, and we're gonna make the characters. So this is gonna be our player, and it's gonna have a sprite, and it's gonna have a collision shape 2D. So this should be it. And the other thing we need is an area 2D, which is gonna be our ball. Have a sprite, and I have a collision shape. So that should be all. I'm gonna save this guy, and I'm gonna drag the sprite, this ball, pinball here, and the collision shape. We're just gonna give it a circle, and hopefully that'll be the same size with our sprite. So what I'm saying, yep, is this. So we're gonna hit Ctrl S. We're gonna go over to the player itself, and the sprite, we're gonna give it this sprite over here, yeah, this wall sprite, and the collision shape is gonna be a square, rectangle, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna just zoom in and make this sprite bigger a bit. Okay, so I think that's too big. Just gonna double it a little bit. Yeah, I think this should be okay. Then the collision shape, I'm gonna just enlarge it to be this big. Okay, so just gonna Control S this, and we come over to the coding aspect. So for the um, for the ball, we're gonna make a var speed, which is gonna be equal to vector 2, and this vector 2 is gonna have a 0 here and a 200. Okay, so here is the func underscore process, and on the process function, what we want to do is to say position plus equals speed dot rotated multiply, okay, sorry, rotation um, times delta. Okay, so this should be it, and we're going to connect the signal from this area 2D node. Yep. A body entered. So when we touch the player, we want speed to be equal to minus speed, and actually before that we want the rotation to be equal to minus rotation, and the last thing we want to do is say rotation degrees should be plus equals random range 90 and minus 90, so that'll give us like 180. Yep, so I'm gonna control S this, and we sorry, for the kinematic body, which is our player, we're gonna add a script, and here we're gonna just say var move is gonna equal to vector 2, and yeah, then we'll make another export. We'll export a variable um, a, which will be equal to true by default. So we're gonna say func underscore ready, and on the ready function, what we want is when we make a variable screen size. We're just gonna name it screen, and it be equal to get underscore viewport rect dot viewport rect dot size. Yep, and here we're gonna say position the x will be equal to screen size dot x divided by 2, so it just places us in the middle there. And here we're gonna say if a where is it? Okay, if a, and we're gonna say position dot y will be equal to screen dot y minus 10. Okay, so that will place us at the bottom of the screen. So say we make another function, which is the physics process function, and we're going to say if a again. Let's say if input dot is underscore key pressed key underscore left. So if you press left, you want to move left. So we're going to say move the x equals to minus 300, and elif inputs dot is key pressed key, which is going to be the key underscore right. So if you're pressing the right key, you want to say move the x will be equals to 300, and here we say else move the x will be equal to 0. Okay, so that should be all. Here we say else, and we're going to just go ahead and copy this guy. Yep, copy him and paste it here. Okay, so that should do it, and here we're going to change this left because the other player is going to be using different controls. So we're going to be using the WASD keys. So here I'll just put A and D. So that should do it, and here we're going to say move the move and slide with move. Move. I'm gonna save that, go to the node thing, and I'm gonna instance those babies. So I'm gonna duplicate this guy because we have two players, and I'm gonna check one from A, and I'm gonna instance the ball in this case. So I'm gonna try by hitting F5, and wow, I think we should be done. Yep, here's our ball, and we're done with our game. As you can see, how many minutes on the clock? Okay, we still have 1 extra minute, which was me, which means we completed this in 7 minutes. Real nice stuff. And the only problem I have now is when the ball leaves the screen, I don't have anything to do. But this is actually a basic ping pong game. Okay, I'm just gonna check it out again. Just gonna close the timer. Yeah. And as you can see, we have our ping pong game. So really nice stuff. Okay. Yep, our ball left the screen. So if you like tutorials like this, you can just leave a like, and if you want to keep getting notifications on anytime I post, you can just smash that notification bell. If you have any suggestions, if you want me to do any tutorials, you can just go ahead and leave them down in the comment section, and I'll pick it up from there. Thank you. Please subscribe. Goodbye.